Hello beautiful girls and women, fat slobs, and Roblox players. Today I'm going to talk about how I create my videos here on YouTube. For starters, I used Adobe Premiere Pro to edit them. If you are subscribed, you already know how random my videos tend to be. Okay, let's start.
Tripamidix explains some shit.
Some of you know that I have a Fiverr account. Sometimes I do some work internationally for YouTubers, musicians, and other wannabe persons. So one guy wanted me to create a video just for fun, not anything commercial, basically inserting him in a red custom in the cyberpunk world.
Action.
As you can see, this type of clip is all that was sent, and now I have to edit in a way that this footage can appear in the cyberpunk universe. So I open Premiere and put the clip into the timeline. Next, I try to change the sequence settings. I want the size to be 1920. Try to find the Ultra key effect, so I can delete all of the noisy background. After all of this crap, go to the new item option, and the color maps, in my case, is green, cause green is the best for this. There are so much ugly background house stuff. Just use the crop effect and crop them out. Now I just managed to put all of the green screens together. With that, it's possible to add the cyberpunk scenery. You can put whatever you want as a background. For example, this blank thing here. Remember, always below the actual video, and use the Ultra key on the green as mentioned in the other tutorial. I'm using the YouTube logo pink below the video. Make the size I want on the scale option. Now I'm trying to make the guy jump to the top of the letter. Until the guy jumps to the letter. Now I'm cutting all of the irrelevant video. The essential is already said. Now you have to find footage online and sounds. Those are essential for video. Black and white effects can be found in Premiere for easy video effect.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
You can also try to position the footage that you edited in the video, like this one,
Gotcha, bitch!
where you simply walk in the cyberpunk world. You can also scale the background, for example. Just be creative. As you can see here, in this edit, I made the scaling of the red guy the same as the background. Also edit tint or color to match the scenery. Those are more advanced edits. If you want a part 2 of this video, you can comment.
Subscribe here, don't be shy. Let's go, meme of the day.
The meme of the day is the part where I read your comments. Try to answer all. Don't you worry.
I remember my first YouTube poop I have seen was in 2008. I think it was called Rhinestone Park. I like the animation and editing you thrown into your poop. Very good quality pooping Supermanix.
Thank you, Fallon Jones. I try my best to entertain and to create original content around here, but there is a lot of learning to do before that. I would like to preserve the memory of the long gun 2008 Q2 books in my videos.